So I'm here with Nathan Owens from Hyundai. Nathan, mate, you're all over CEMAT in a lot of ways. Tell us about what you're involved with.
Yeah, so obviously we've come on as partner, one of the major sponsors for the event this year. Obviously, you can see in the background here we've got the forklift championships that we're supplying machines for. So the guys have been doing that all day. It's been really great to see. They're all love the machines, and yeah, it's been really good to see. So.
Yeah, no, that's what I mean. If you look at Hyundai, what you've got, you're covering the sustainability side with the hydrogen. You've got the labour shortage and some of those challenges with the autonomous.
Yep.
So, and you've got the competition to really showcase the best of the best right across Australia.
Yeah, essentially, yeah, that's right. Yeah, so Hyundai prides themselves on, I guess, like the technology and the safety factor of the machine. So we wanted to showcase. Obviously, we have the technology. We've got the safety over there with the guys on there. They've nearly every operator here has never even seen a Hyundai before. They've jumped on. They've been able to drive them safely, properly from the start. We've had no incidents, nothing like that, and we've had really, really good feedback. They love them. So
Great.
Yeah.
And tell us about your experience with CEMAT. Obviously, you're really happy with it.
Yeah, it's been a great event so far. Like we've had a lot of people through the stand, all the exhibitors. Obviously networking and the forklift championships as well has been a really big event. So we're extremely excited to be a partner and looking forward to next year.
Well, congratulations, Nathan. Fantastic setup. Great partnership that you've done as well with CEMAT, and I'm sure we'll see more and more of Hyundai right across it.
Thank you. Cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate.
Thank you.